Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 127 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into, trying Soylent. Have you ever had this before, Jay?
No, because it was in the shop.
It was in the shop, huh?
Yeah, that's
It was in the refrigerator, right?
Yeah.
To keep it cold and so that way it would taste good.
Yeah, but I didn't try it.
Oh, okay. So anyways, we got this in our Vegan Cuts box this month. It was one of like the 2 drinks I think that came in the box. And I'm sorry that I'm using it as a microphone. It just feels natural to use it as that. All right, this is the actual microphone today. But Jay, we should probably just go ahead and try this, right? You ready to try this?
Uh-huh. This is my cool tank.
Oh, right.
Shake
it
up. This is my cool tank.
Yeah.
And
then open it up. You want a first drink? 3, 2, 1, go. Waiting on his response.
This tastes good.
It's very creamy. Got like that milk kind of flavor along with that chai. This, by the way, is Soylent CAFE Chai. So this company is supposed to make breakfast like easier. Basically, this is like a breakfast substitute. Would you drink this for breakfast?
Yeah. My mom will get home, and then I will tell my mom,
Try this one.
Try this, and then she will say okay, and then they won't have sugar in it.
Yep.
And she drinks.
Well, I don't know. I think this one might have sugar in it.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. And this one is actually supposed to supplement your breakfast combined with the caffeine you need in the morning. I also do have regular shakes that do not have caffeine in it. And then also this company actually provides just the powdered form to mix with like the milk or the water that you would for a breakfast supplement or substitute. As far as the price on the product actually goes, 12 of these bottles online on their store retails for $39, which basically comes to about $3.50 per bottle. I could definitely see it being used as a meal replacement, maybe like once or twice, maybe even 3 times a week. But this company is way cool. You want some more? This company is way cool. They actually in 2016 went ahead and donated over 1 million meals to people who needed them. And I'm like, this is an awesome accomplishment. Secondly, this product actually contains no animal products, so only plants, which means that it actually, in order to produce this product, it took less CO2 or produced less CO2 greenhouse gases, which I guess in a roundabout way makes it better for the environment.
As this mean the words.
As far as the ingredients go, well, you can imagine it's a meal replacement. Half of these ingredients I can't even pronounce, which kind of makes me feel like some kind of test subject.
That you can find one that.
Yeah.
Those I did with my fingers.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So in each one of these bottles, there is 400 calories. And for me, the taste is not really like superb as like a meal replacement. It kind of has like a similar like protein drink kind of taste. I do enjoy the creaminess, but it's...
Dad, we need to start drinking this because it's going to make us sick.
Oh, it's going to make us sick.
Yeah, that means we need to start drinking it.
Oh, okay. Anyways, Jay, we need to know, is this a buy or a trash?
A bike because it's not trash.
Just because it's not a trash, that's why.
It's the bike!
With your milk mustache and all, huh?
Actually,
I mean your soy mustache, my bad.
Actually, I don't have a mustache anymore.
Oh, okay.
I don't have a mustache.
Don't have a mustache. Let's go ahead and leave right there. Let's jump into the question of the day, which is if you built a themed hotel, what would the theme be and what would the rooms look like?
I get inside a striker inside a tank too, and I will go. I'm gonna go inside a tank, not a striker, because it still have have spinners.
Tracks.
Yeah.
It has wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not. It don't have spinners.
Doesn't have spinners.
No. It's
Or
just,
tracks.
No, it
Yeah.
don't make tracks.
Okay,
But tanks does because they have spinners.
Yeah. So what you're telling me is that your hotel would be a army themed hotel with tanks and strikers as rooms.
That and strikers have room because there's little doors in it where you can get in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there's a door up here.
Up there.
So people will get in there.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, cause
They would have to be, in order for them to be rooms, they would have to be pretty big strikers, though, like oversized strikers, so that they could accommodate a few people to sleep in there comfortably, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Anyways, we agree. Like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance, as well as general investing advice, business ethics coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right up here. And check out Emmy's coconut cookies. Check out that video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Cry.